What was the exact moment you realized the weird noise in your house at night wasn't just pipes or the wind, but something that turned your normal home into the most shocking story you've ever had to explain to anyone? When I bought my first house, it was an old fixer-upper from the 50s. Cute place, big yard, creaky floors, the kind of house that had character. The first couple of nights were fine, but then I started hearing it. A faint knocking sound coming from inside the walls around 2 a.m. every night. Not scratching, not creaking, knocking. At first, I chalked it up to plumbing. Called a handyman, he checked everything, shrugged, and said, "Old houses make weird noises," so I ignored it. But the knocking kept happening. Same time, same rhythm. One night, I couldn't take it anymore. I grabbed a flashlight, pressed my ear against the wall in the hallway, and realized it wasn't random. It was 3 knocks. Pause. 2 knocks. Pause. Repeating. Almost like code. Freaked out, I ripped off a section of drywall the next day. Behind the wall was a sealed crawl space I didn't even know existed. When I shined my flashlight in, I froze. There was a tiny wooden box, a stack of yellowed papers, and this is what got me. An old Morse code tapper, the kind used in World War II. The papers were journal entries from the original homeowner, a radio operator who apparently kept logs of messages received, except some of the entries weren't military records. The papers were journal entries from the original homeowner, a radio operator who apparently kept logs of messages received, except some of the entries weren't military records. They were personal. He'd written things like, "She doesn't know I'm listening, and if I tap back, will they answer?" I brought the stuff to a local historical society, and they confirmed the guy was discharged from the military for psychological issues, but had lived in the house until he died. He'd set up a hidden room to keep tapping out Morse code messages to no one, or maybe someone. Nobody knows. The creepiest part? The knock stopped the moment I opened that wall. Haven't heard a single one since. Now when people visit, I don't bother explaining. I just point to the patched up section of drywall and say, "That's the spot where the house tried to talk to me." And I let them wonder if I'm joking. I just point to the patched up section of drywall and say, "That's the spot where the house tried to talk to me." And I let them wonder if I'm joking.